Hi guys, it's Gabby and welcome back to my channel. I'm back today to show you our new releases for this week, which will be up tonight, Tuesday the 17th of July. Sorry it was a bit late. They were meant to be released last Friday, but I got a bit under the weather, so I wasn't able to finish them, but they will be up today. So we've got for this new release 2 new weekly kits and then the September and October monthly kits. So I just thought I'd go through all of them with you and show them what they're like kind of in person or in real kind of 3D style. So the very first kit is called Dreamy Days. If you are subscribed to our sub box in January, you might notice that some of these patterns and colours are the same. I did a bit of a poll on our Facebook group and asked if you guys would like weekly kits made out of our previous sub box themes, and it was an overwhelming yes. So I thought I would do the January box because it was one of my favourites. So yeah, I thought I'd go with that. So you've got these beautiful purples, pinks, and this kind of sage green colour. And so for the first kit, you've got your heart checklists as normal. So this is in our new format again. You've got your sidebar sticker, your appointment labels, your sidebar headers, post-it note stickers, drawing pins, habit trackers, icons, flags, all of that good stuff. Then on the second page, you've got your to-do and today headers, your faux foil headers, some appointment stickers, 2 bill dues, 2 weekend banners, and then all of your drawn icons. Then you have your gorgeous full boxes, and again with our new format you get 9 full boxes. So you've got some really pretty floral patterns, some birds, plaids, just some gorgeous illustrations, and then the quote says, "You are never too old to set another goal or to dream another dream." And then you've got your block headers down here. Then you've got your ombre to-do boxes and another sidebar sticker and more appointment labels. Your half boxes, your little things, and your quarter boxes. Your bottom washi and your washi strips. And then your date covers and deco. So that's the first kit. I think it's really pretty. Oh, and then we also have it in the personal size or the TN size as usual. You've got your side washi, small heart checklist, habit tracker, sort of the short full boxes, appointment labels, icons, headers, all of the usual stuff. So that is kind of the mini kit or the TN kit for Dreamy Days. The next kit is called Country Living, and I came across the photography and I just fell in love with it, so I thought I had to do a second kit for this week using it. So I've just used this beautiful sort of chartreusey colour, green yellow, and then like a slate grey and some pinks and purples, lots of gold glitter. And as usual, again, I won't really go over it all again, but you've got your first functional sheet. You've got your second functional sheet, and I just love these weekend banners. I think they're really pretty. Then your beautiful full boxes, again 9 of them. You've just got some like really nice floral photography. You've got like a bike outside a farmhouse, and then behind this quote card is a really beautiful cottage, and this just says, "A walk down a country road is good for body, heart and soul." And then you've got your block headers down the bottom. Then your to-do boxes, another sidebar box and appointment labels. Your bottom washi and washi strips. Your half boxes, quarter boxes and little things. And then your deco and date covers. And then again, the personal size. Yeah, where you've got the smaller full boxes and then the side washi and everything else. So that is Country Living. And then you've got your September and October kits. So I'll just quickly go through those. So you've got your monthly kit, which is made for the Erin Condren. So you've just got the September up the top, and then the photography kind of goes along the bottom as well. It will match up, and this just says your best teacher is your last mistake. And then you've got some extra full boxes to put around the month if you like, and then some appointment labels. Then you have the second banner across the top, and then another full box to go underneath it. You've got your washi strips, date covers, more appointment labels, icons, flags, asterisks, hearts, all of that good stuff. And then the last sheet is just your sidebar boxes and headers, rescheduled, cancelled, more appointment labels, bill dues, and paydays. And then you, of course, you've got it in the traveler's notebook, personal size as well. You've got the headers, the side washi, all these different sized boxes, your date covers, and then lots of tiny like appointment labels and half boxes and icons, so that you can really fit them into any size planner. So that's September. And then October is this really gorgeous October is this really gorgeous pinks, purples, and light blue colors. And then this strip goes at the bottom and it says turn your can'ts into cans and your dreams into plans. And then you've got a few more full boxes. I love this one with the coffee. Then your second sheet is the second header, more washi strips, and the same as the normal monthly kits. Then you've just got the last page, which is your sidebar boxes, headers, and appointment labels. And then also the Traveler's Notebook personal size kit. So again, just the same format, but in these really beautiful patterns and colours. So I really hope you guys like these new releases. As I said, they'll be available from tonight on both our Etsy shop and our website. So yeah, just make sure to follow our Instagram or join our Facebook page to always double check when our new releases will be. But until my next video, I'll talk to you guys then. Bye!